When shopping for fabrics, there's a lot more to consider than the price. You found the fabric, it's a pretty color, it's a print that you like, but what you need to do is touch it, feel it. If you order online, get a swatch first. Stretch it in both directions, even if it's a woven. You're testing how the fabric reacts. Give it a wrinkle. See the recovery. Is it going to wash well? Is it like something in your closet already? Is it thin? How does it really feel? And then, after you do all these little inspections and all these little tests, if the price is low, that's wonderful. But if it's expensive, you already know what to do with it. And it won't be so hard on the conscience when you pay for it. Do this with all your fabrics and you're guaranteed to have a stash that you love. Hope this helps.